20 minus 4 times 3 raised to the power of 2. 20 minus 4 will give us 16. Then we have 16 times 3 to the power of 2. 3 to the power of 2 is 3 times 3. 3 times 3 will give us 9. Then we have 16 times 9. 16 times 9 will give us 144, which is 144, which is the wrong answer to this question because we will not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let us solve the right answer to this question. 3 raised to the power of 2 is equals to 3 times 3. 3 times 3 will give us 9. Then we have 20 minus 4 times 9. Then we solve our multiplication because multiplication comes before subtraction. 4 times 9 will give us 36. Then we have 20 minus 36. 20 minus 36 will give us a negative 16, which is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.